Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfortBilt pellet stove and it's giving you the over temperature or overheat alarm and then shutting down. So what's causing this and what can you do to get rid of it? So the stove that's giving you an overtemp alarm could be caused by the room blower not moving enough hot air out of the stove, or some kind of improper fuel to air ratio or a limited airflow of some sort. So in order to fix this, the number one thing that you want to do is to make sure that the room blower that's exhausting the heat into the room is functioning. If the squirrel cage style fan is not spinning, try to manually flick it and see that it's spinning freely and the blower voltages are properly set. You also want to ensure that the rear airflow chambers are clear so that the air can get in to be blown out. And then finally, the auger feeding rates might need to be adjusted in order to make sure you're not getting too much fire going on. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.